Always about the sketchiest part and going in places. My adrenaline spikes up to a 9. Happy birthday. There was a birthday celebration over this way. In today's video, Jen, Daniel, and I are stepping inside an abandoned bowling alley that's only recently been closed earlier this year. And while exploration itself was the first of its kind with my experience as an urban explorer, the history was pretty interesting. So diving into the history, I uncovered a lot about this bowling alley's recent downfall and what could have possibly led to it being closed down for good. Management tried to keep this business running despite limited support or investment from ownership, and the building had recently reported being used as a tax write-off for years by an out-of-state owner. Over time, the building became increasingly worn down and neglected, which obviously didn't help any business. Locals have reported earlier this year that it had looked deserted for years, and many felt it had long been deteriorating for a long time due to the lack of investment from ownership. Not only that, but as it seems, the outside of this bowling alley had become a popular meetup spot for teens, including truck meetups. This led to reports of underage drinking, fights, videos of guns, and unsafe gatherings circulating within the community. Many described it as a dangerous place for teenagers. Some believed it should have closed a long time ago, before it actually did. And sadly, as I'm sure its owner, whom I will not speak their name out loud, spent a lot of their time trying to maintain the bowling alley to the best of their ability, but as of today, the bowling alley closed on the last day of May of 2025. And now, it's abandoned, ready to be seemingly stepped inside for the final time before being destroyed. Okay, so for currently following Daniel, we're gonna try to get in front and or slash near this abandoned bowling alley nearby, and we're gonna see what happens. The current predicament is there's nowhere close, and we got highway patrol and or slash state troopers kind of nearby, so it's as sus as it gets. But let's see what's going on. Okay. Whose bike?
You still got good hair.
I don't know. I wish you read it in the exact same spot as last time.
Yeah, sure, let me get it.
I can't. Oh shit, there's grease.
What else?
You got it? You got it?
Yeah, I got it. Alright. Welcome back to another episode of Decay This Dumb Shit. Oh, check this.
Find my piece for my speaker. I mean, for my mic.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, how is that mic, by the way? Is it good?
Yeah, that's fine.
Alright, so this is about the part when I calm my nerves. Always about the sketchiest part and going in places. My adrenaline spikes up to a 9, and I have no idea what to say. So what are these for? Are these like the rack backs or whatever?
Yeah.
Okay.
Recycle all the pins in the ball.
So we're on the back side right now.
Yeah.
I've never seen, like, they always have workshops in the back?
Oh yeah. Jesus.
That's cool.
This is all. Every bowling alley gets the pins so picked up.
This your first abandoned bowling alley?
Yeah.
Yeah, mine too.
My first one was nothing in it. It was just a shell.
Yeah.
This one.
Hmm?
It's crazy we even got in here.
Crazy luck, huh?
Look how much they boarded this motherfucker.
I know, right? It was rusted for so long though.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, we got so lucky in here. Lock exposure. We're good. Trying to get this shit right. It's a fucking pain in the ass, that's what it is.
That's great.
What we got here?
Like the bowling workshop. Probably just the office.
Yeah, dude. And that's the front. Whoa, check that out, dude. That's kind of dope. It's fucking crazy.
My heart's still beating too.
Yeah, mine too. Yeah.
I'm also not really using my camera because it's so dark.
It's hard for me too. Like I had to switch over from 1080 to 4K,
Yeah.
and it helps, but man, it's a fucking pain. Trying to make sure that light's pretty much good. Also gotta learn how to take photos with this shit, so
What with that? Oh.
yeah, it's gonna be a bit different. So I'm currently switching between 1080p and 4K, trying to find like a good balance. Southeast Pro Shop. That's the name of that right there. You have all the places where it would go. Old magazine stands. Some of the old shoes too. It's my first ever bowling alley though. It's a little sketch though, not even gonna lie. Like the way in is very sus. It's beside a place that is sketchy beyond all measure. But you guys already saw the history of this place, so you can pretty much know everything that I'm talking about here, but let's check out the front. Dude, this is dope. I'm saying. What on earth? Well, it's the first for me. This is really cool though. No, what is this? Oh, a little roll thing? Okay, that's pretty cool. Tell you what though, we can finally do this without getting in trouble for it. They're still slick. Billy Go, 802, John Phillips, Bill Mann. I guess this is all the people that came over here and did like records for stuff. It's pretty cool. Guess we're rocking 4K. That's Momo's fucking noise. So if you notice why I'm being so quiet, it's because, like I mentioned earlier, there is people next door. We're trying not to alert anybody. What's also crazy right here is it looks to be happy birthday. There was a birthday celebration over this way. At least that's the way it's looking. Celebrate. This is some Five Nights at Freddy's crap right here. Celebrate. The party is here. Dude, that's spooky. Like, I wonder if one of the last things they ever did here before they closed it and call it quits was a birthday party. It's plausible though. Hey, did you notice this earlier? Dance, dance till you're dead. Did you notice that?
Oh, the birthday?
Yeah, that's cool, right?
Yeah, look, this is spotlight. Or what is it called? Disco?
The disco thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, I noticed these, right? And I was like, oh, one of the last things I did was throw a birthday party for somebody. Looks like it.
Did you see that?
What happened there?
Fire extinguisher goods.
Oh man, they make it in everywhere, dude. How do they make it into places that like it's insane. That's wild. Yeah, we were looking at this right here where the fire extinguisher kid bullshit. And we look up and there's a bowling ball in the TV. The shit you find in places like this. And it looks like maybe somebody took a piss right here. Probably not, but you never really know. Someone was riding their bike with no handlebars though. What the hell? That's pretty cool, dude. This is so cool though. What's he looking at? You good? Hmm? Yeah. And you won't catch me slipping. It's pure meme content right now.
This is my childhood right here. Oh.
Damn, no wonder this shit is nostalgic.
Daniel, my boy Dakota.
Jen. Bloopers maybe. My people. Alpha. Happy thoughts. Exposure's hella high. Hmm? I got dust like all over me. So, while everybody is walking down that way, thank you for watching. So, as always, follow Jen, follow Daniel. Link is in the description per usual. Yeah. After a while of doing outros, I still suck at it, but thank you for watching. New video next week. It's time to run. See you guys later. Bye.